Good morning students, we are in metallography lab. Today we are going to study microstructure of welded specimen. So what do you mean by welded specimen? The specimen which is welded or joined by any suitable welding process. Now here question is, what do you mean by welding? Welding is a process of joining similar or dissimilar material with or without help of pressure or with or without help of filler metal. Fusion of metal takes place by means of heat. Heat may be obtained by blacksmith fire, electric arc, gas or chemical reaction. It is a coalescence of metal produced by heating. So in this experiment we are going to study microstructure of welded specimen. Here two samples made of mild steel are joined together by suitable welding process like shielded metal arc welding at suitable welding condition. Now welded quality mainly depend on feature of bit geometry, mechanical metallurgical characteristic of the weld. These features are greatly influenced by various input parameters of welding like current, gas flow rate, edge preparation, nozzle to plate distance, etc. So in metallography, what do you mean by metallography lab? Here we study internal structure of metal and alloy in relationship with physical and mechanical property under microscope. When object structure are seen under low magnification microscope, then object structure is said to be macroscopic and object structure is known as macrostructure. When structure is seen under high magnification microscope, then observed structure is said to be microstructure. So in metallography, sample preparation is needed to observe any microstructure of any welded sample. This sample preparation consists of following 5 parts. First is sectioning, mounting, grinding, polishing and etching. Sectioning is done by swaying or abrasive cut wheel. Swaying is the oldest method of sectioning, but it can alter the microstructure of any sample. So abrasive cut wheel is normally used. Cutting tool made of silicon carbide with diamond particle in it. After that, sample should be mounted inside a polymer block or a mount by using a bakelite powder. There are two common methods of mounting are cold mounting and hot mounting. After mounting the sample, it should be grind on various grade of emery paper. So while grinding on emery paper, always maintain a constant pressure at the center of the job specimen. After grinding, we should polish the sample in a disc polisher machine and observe the sample, the surface till the surface becomes shiner. It takes 10 to 15 seconds. Finally, sample is dipped in etching reagent. Now this sample is finally etched in by using a etching reagent. It normally takes 10 to 15 seconds. After that, sample should be washed with water and dried. Finally, sample is now being ready to study its microstructure under metallography microscope. Now next demonstration part will be shown by our beloved Ganesh Patro. Mr. Ganesh Patro, please. Thank you.
Now experiment number 6. Experiment number 6 to study the microstructure of the cross sectional view of a bar joint specimen. This is bar joint welding specimen. ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, তোমাদেরকে আজকে একটা আমি গল্প বলি, গল্প বলতে একটা এক্সাম্পল বলি। সাপোজ তোমরা জানো পোস্টা ব্রিজ, কিছুদিন আগে পোস্তা ব্রিজটা কোলাপস হয়ে গেছিলো, ভেঙে পড়েছিল। কারণটা কি, ওইখানে যে ওয়েল্ডিংটা ছিল ওখানে ম্যাক্সিমাম জয়েন্টগুলো ওয়েল্ডিং জয়েন্টটা ছিল বার জয়েন্ট ছিল আর রিভেট ছিল। সেই বার জয়েন্টের মধ্যে কিছু ওয়েল্ডিং ডিফেক্ট, আমার ওয়েল্ডিং করলেই হয় না, সেটা ওয়েল্ডিংটা প্রপারলি ওয়েল্ডিং করতে হয়। ওয়েল্ডিং করতে গেলে 3টা প্যারামিটার আমাদেরকে মেনটেন করতে হয়, একদম টাইম, টেম্পারেচার অ্যান্ড কারেন্ট। ঠিক আছে, টাইম, টেম্পারেচার অ্যান্ড কারেন্ট, এই 3টা প্যারামিটার কন্ট্রোল করলে আমরা গুড ওয়েল্ডিং করতে পারবো। কিন্তু সেই ক্ষেত্রে কোনো একটা ডিফেক্টের জন্য, কোনো একটা কারণের জন্য সেই পোস্তা ব্রিজের কোনো একটা মানে মেম্বার, টেনসাইল মেম্বার, একটা মেম্বার ভেঙে পড়ে গেছিলো, তার জন্য পুরো ব্রিজটা ভেঙে গিয়েছিল। কেন এই ব্রিজটা মানে ওয়েল্ডিংটা কেন ফেলিয়ার হয়েছিল, হ্যাঁ, সেটা আইডেন্টিফাই করার জন্য আমাদেরকে মাইক্রোস্কোপিক অবজারভেশন করতে হবে। মাইক্রোস্কোপিক অবজারভেশন বলতে কি, ধরো সাপোজ দিস ইজ অর টু মেটেরিয়াল, সাপোজ this is two material and this is base material 2 plate and this portion added material, that is filler material. Two material using this filler material and this portion welding parameter, insufficient welding parameter, suppose time, temperature and current. Any one, this is insufficient temperature, and due to this insufficient temperature, time and insufficient any other reason, this member will break. And from this microstructure we easily determine what happens. And basically welding, any person, suppose this person suppose this person, when we weld, and this person due to this time and this heat distribution, time is more, and this heat distribution area is more, and this portion and heat affected zone is more, and another portion, this other portion, base material portion, suppose another time welding material in, suppose and this portion is time required, this is welding speed, that is time required means welding speed. The welding speed and properly না হলে সেই জায়গাটা কি হবে, সেই জায়গাটায় ওয়েল্ডিং স্পিড কখনো কম বা বেশি হয়ে গেলে সেখানে ওয়েল্ডিংটা প্রপার হবে না। প্রপার না হলে তার একটা পারমিসিবল একটা রেঞ্জ আছে, হ্যাজ জোন মিনস হিট এফেক্টেড জোন। এই যে মাইক্রোস্কোপিক স্ট্রাকচার আমরা এখানে দেখতে পাচ্ছি, এই যে এই হোয়াইট রিজিয়ন, এই পোর্শনটা হচ্ছে ওয়েল্ড পুল রিজিয়ন, and black region এই সাইডে, this side, and this portion is has zone, heat affected zone. A has zone range depends upon welding parameter. Different types of welding parameter present. Suppose one parameter is welding speed. Suppose one welding 4 millimeter welding required, and this welding speed suppose at particular speed, suppose স্পিডটা আমি বলছি না, স্পিড ডিপেন্ডস আপন মেটেরিয়াল, and so depends upon material, time, current and material thickness. ঠিক আছে, এই স্পিডের উপর ডিপেন্ড করে এই ওয়েল্ডিং যে হ্যাজ জোন যে ডিস্ট্রিবিউশন, এই ডিস্ট্রিবিউশন জোনটা তৈরি হয়। একটা পারমিসিবল রেঞ্জ অ্যাকর্ডিং টু বিআই সিস্টেম বা আইএস সিস্টেম, সাপোজ একটা মেটেরিয়ালে পারমিসিবল রেঞ্জ আছে 4 millimeter or 3 millimeter, and when this permissible range more than 4 millimeter, and this is already defect, and when this has zone is more than this permissible range, and this microstructure orientation distorted, and this mechanical properties already distorted, and this mechanical properties not improved, this mechanical properties suppose ductility, hardness, toughness, tensile strength and decrease, and due to this mechanical properties effect, and this welding zone, and this welding zone, this load carrying capacity that is not enhanced, that is decreased, and suppose this load capacity zone 400 kilonewton, and when you use 400 kilonewton load, more than 400 kilonewton load or more 400 load kilonewton, and this portion is will break due to this defect has zone, and this portion is oil pool portion, and we know any material when we melt upper critical temperature or upper crystalline temperature, when we melt, and this microstructure form new microstructure form, and this is new microstructure form, and this portion is oil pool zone, and this portion distorted microstructure, that is hash zone. Another portion is this is base zone. And this is base zone, another portion, this is base zone. The base zone means parent material zone, this microstructure. This is oil pooled microstructure, new grains type microstructure. And this is hash zone microstructure. This is hash zone microstructure, and from this this microstructure, this molecule orientation distorted, and their shape already distorted, and due to this distorted molecule orientation, shape, size and dimension, this mechanical properties also distorted, and due to this problem and due to this error, and this capacity, that is welding strength or capacity also effect. Suppose this this welding zone and this welding strength, suppose 400 kilonewton load capacity, and when you use 400 kilonewton load, and this welding will break, and what happens occurs, and this microstructure orientation microstructure hash zone already defect. Due to this defect, and this structure is failed.